we have to find value of x and y. On this diagram we see that we have two pairs of parallel lines. If you extend this ray, we have one parallel line, one line which is parallel to that, and this line is parallel to that. Let's see what we have here. We have to find x and y. These two parallel lines are cut at this transversal line. So it means that the angles which are between these two parallel lines, on the same side we have these two angles, it means that they are supplementary. So we can write that by the consecutive interior angles theorem, we have, let me remind one more time, that the consecutive interior angles are angles between two lines which are cut by the transversal and on the same side of the transversal. So we have that angle 7y degrees and angle 12y minus 10 degrees are supplementary. This we have from the consecutive interior angles theorem. So it means that measure of the two angles is 180 degrees. So we can write that 7y degrees plus will be 12y minus 10 degrees is equal 180 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have 7y plus 12y, positive and negative give me minus 10 is equal 180. Now we can combine the like terms, so we have 7 plus 12, so this is 19y is equal 180, will be plus 10. So we have 19y is equal 190. Now we can divide by 90 by both sides. So 19 we can reduce, and we have that y is equal 10. We found y. Now we have to find x. Let's see what we have here. Because these two angles, this and that, are vertical angles, so by the vertical angles congruence theorem we have that measure of this angle is the same like that. So here we have 12y minus 10 degrees too. So we have y, so we can find the measure of this angle. Let me put this in parentheses. We have 12y minus 10 degrees, so this is equal. Now we can substitute y by 10, so we have 12 times 10 minus 10 degrees, so this is equal 12 times 10 is 120 minus 10, so this is 110 degrees. So we have this angle. And again, we can use here again consecutive interior angles theorem, because this line is parallel to that, and these two parallel lines are cut by this transversal. It means that the angles between these two lines, which are on the same side of our transversal, are supplementary. It means that, again let me write this by the consecutive interior angles theorem. We have that angles 2x degrees and this expression is 110 degrees are supplementary. So it means that 2x degrees plus measure of angle 2x degrees plus 110 degrees is 180 degrees. So now let's forget about degrees. So we have 2x and we can move 110 to the right side. So we have 180 minus 110. So we have 2x is equal 70. Now we divide both sides by 2, so we have 2x is equal 35. We found x and y. So this is my solution.